So Crunchyroll is not working on your computer. So here is a solution how to fix it. First of all, open your browser, and here you need to find your extension. Maybe you are using ad blocker. So we need to click on it. These three dots, like more actions, click on it, and click on manage extension. You will see such page open. So here just switch off your ad blocker on all sides, and check if this solution helps you. So just temporarily try to switch it off. Next, what you can do is click on this option and go to settings. Click on settings page. Here in search tab, start typing browsing data. Here in the right section, scroll down page, and you'll see clear browsing data. So here it is. Yeah. So maybe you need simply clear your browsing data and everything will work again. So click this button, click on time range, select all, and here you can select everything what you want to clear. So click on images, files, cookies, some other data. It's especially click on them, yeah. And after that, click on clear now. So clear your cache data. Okay guys, so hope this video was helpful. In case yeah, after that you need to restart your browser, and you can also try to restart your computer and everything should work again. So guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in other videos.